Hello, do you want to learn how to transform videos into a brick wall effect in Filmora X just like the one you're watching right now? Then stay with me. I'll definitely show you how. Hey, welcome to VC Creator Secret Tutorials. Before we get started, if you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I publish new tutorials every week. For more unique, awesome videos like this, check the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, let's get started. In order to pull this off, we need videos and a picture or an image of a brick wall. So let's drag down our video and also drag down the image of a brick wall that we're going to use on the second track on the timeline. And double click on the image and go to transform, and let's transform our image to full the screen. Now next, let's click on compositing and change the opacity to 20, 30 or 40 depending on what you want. Then let's change the blend mode to color Dutch and click OK. Now next, let's go to effects and search for sharp. So type it and drag it to the third track on the timeline. Then expand it to the length of the video and image. Then double click on it and go to the setting and change the alpha to 85%. Click on the eye icon on track 2 and 3 to make them invisible. Now double click on the video image and click on this icon, on this tracking icon. Now set the tracking on our subject and click on start tracking now. Let's wait for it to do its magic. When it's done, click on it from the drop down and you choose the brick wall. That's what we're going to be tracking. Click on the eye icon for track 2 and 3 to make this. Now click on the second track and expand the image. Now when you're done, you can click on play and see what we have so far. That's the simplest way to transform a video into a brick wall effect. I'll see you in the next video. Here is the final product. Enjoy this video and find it valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so I can keep making them. For more awesome and unique videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also be sure to check out my other videos on this channel as well. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I love it. Be sure to watch the videos on the screen that we handpicked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.